Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for some little sunglasses for your pup, definitely check out the Enjoying store. They have the cutest little sunglass goggles for your pet. I love these on my dog. They look so cute on him, and we use them when we go boating or when we go to the beach. Just anytime that it's sunny, really, we like to put these on him. They're also made of really great quality materials. We've had these goggles for like 2 years now. We use them pretty often and they're still holding up really great with no scratches. And they're also really easy to put on, especially if your dog is as cooperative as Charlie is here. You just put the strap under the chin and then the other strap over the ears. Pull the ears out, pull out any extra hair. These straps are also very adjustable, so they will fit your dog perfectly. If you're looking for some sunglass goggles for your little pet, definitely check out Enjoying store. They have different colors to choose from, so many fun designs, and they look great, they work great, and they last a really long time. That's my point of view.